Kasi binabasa ko dito yung standard operating ng PNP. Ang liwaliwanag naman eh, no torture, no force, no violence, threat, intimidation, or other means to vitiate the free will to be used against the arrested person. Eh di the more so, yung mga kasamahan ng arestado. Eh sabi mo nga, ikaw na nag-admit forcefully. Eh talagang you used force. Eh bawal po yun.
Ma'am, it is, I placed E.S. Mijaldea under arrest for obstruction of justice.
Eh, sabi nga
And,
ni Senator Jinggoy, hihilain mo pa.
yes, ma'am. I did. Because I have to get into their heads to make them, to make it very, very clear to them that we are already very, very serious
O,
of
tama
loading
nga.
the President to
Oo
the
naman,
plane.
General, pinapaliwanag mo, pero bawal ang paggagamit ng dahas, ng pananakot,
Ma'am,
ng
just to be clear.
intimidation, or any other means. Ang
Ma'am.
liwanag eh, nasa kapulisan yan
Ma'am,
eh.